Yo, so today is the day. It's real today, it's real today. Today is Airlift day. What should I say? Airlift night. Same clothes, 3 days, let's go. Yo, so it's all about the prep work, baby. It's all about the prep work. Check it.
6.5 hours later.
We are slowly getting somewhere.
3 hours later.
We are slowly getting somewhere. You know what? This D-Wart drill, man. It's a letdown. Where is it? I don't know. He's scarpered off somewhere. He's run off like a rat. But if it wasn't for this guy, I tell you, this guy does the job. Boom, quick things. So I'm just gonna clean it up now. And all because of this guy, this little guy, I had to stop last night to go to our AutoZone, pick up another one. This is 40 mil. Had to go and get myself, bam! This guy. Let's see if it works. Fingers crossed. Anyway, I'm back on the roll again. Same clothes, let's go. 4 days, let's roll. Yeah, you know what time it is. It's man, mad antics, man, mad antics. See the light, see the glasses? We're getting down to some nitty-gritty stuff, you know what I'm saying? Check it out. So basically I'm screwed, man. Really screwed. Basically I was real screwed. I got down, everything was boom, and then I come to this point here, and then this bolt was not my friend anymore. Look, I didn't realise after how long I had these brackets in the house, didn't realise that these bolts didn't fit. So when it comes down to fitting it now, kind of like these are more or less the last thing to fit. I went to put in, didn't fit. So we've got the tool out, the burring tool. We're gonna go at it tonight. It's on.
Okay, USA. Okay, USA.
So basically, that is what it's supposed to look like. I still need to sort the aluminium tubes out, the pipe. Stay tuned for the next episode of trying to get this to, make sure there's no leaks and that. I'm not going to film the process of fitting the shocks and that, the airbags. You'll know how it goes. But this is basically it. That's basically how it's supposed to look like. Underneath, I need to find a way how I'm going to run the hoses, so the tubing underneath. It's going to be mad. Because the way I have done these boards, it's messy, man. Anyway, stay tuned. Peace. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe if you like. No pressure, G.